Hello everyone, welcome back to the Software Testing by Guruji YouTube channel. As a part of this video, we are going to understand how to select the best software development methodology. And agenda of today's video is important factor to select the best model, waterfall model, Scrum Agile, Kanban Agile, V model, and simple comparison between the different models. Without wasting time, let's start the video. So, important factors to select the best model. Before selecting any model, analyze these 7 factors. First, project size and complexity. Second, requirement clarity. Third, requirement changes. 4, risk level. 5, timeline and budget. 6, client involvement. And 7, team experience. So these are the 7 factors which we have to consider before selecting any model. Then first model is waterfall model. We can select the waterfall model when requirements are fixed and simple, project size is small, requirements are 100% clear from the beginning, there will be no change request in the future. Development risk is very low. Delivery timeline is fixed. Complete documentation is mandatory. In this situation, we can select the waterfall model for our project. When requirements are clear, fixed, and unlikely to change, and the project is small, with a fixed timeline and documentation needs, the waterfall model is the best choice. So accordingly, we have to select the waterfall model. Then let's understand the real-time example for the waterfall model. A bank want to develop a fixed deposit interest calculator for customers. So requirements, the system should calculate FD interest, the system should use fixed interest rate, the system should support senior citizen rates, the system should show the maturity amount, the rules should not change, the output should be the same every time, the system should keep records for reference. So this is the real-time example for the waterfall model. Here requirements are fixed and accordingly we have to select the waterfall model for this project. The next is agile scrum model. Here requirements are complex and not fully clear at the beginning. Requirements are expected to change frequently, means we should have to accept the change request and accordingly we have to manage it. Features need to be released in short cycle, that is 1 to 4 weeks, called as sprint. Regular customer interaction is required. Frequent meetings, agile ceremonies are conducted to track the progress. Sprint planning meeting, daily stand-up meeting, sprint review or demo session, sprint retrospective meeting. So in this situation, we have to select the agile scrum model. Real-time example for this is e-commerce shopping website. Project description: a company wants to build an online shopping website where customer can search product, add to cart, make a payment, track orders, and many more. So in this situation, we can select the Agile Scrum model and we can work on it. Then third one, Agile Kanban model. Requirements are continuously coming and not planned in advance. Changes can happen at any time, no fixed iteration or sprint. Work is delivered in a continuous flow. Focus is on limiting work in progress, that is WIP. Faster delivery for small tasks is required. Customer feedback is taken anytime, not in fixed meetings. Best suitable for maintenance, support teams, and operation. So real-time example for Agile Kanban model is application production support team. Here bugs are reported anytime by users. Issues are fixed based on priority. No waiting for sprint planning. Perform small enhancement. So in this situation, we are going to select the Agile Kanban model. And next one, V model, verification and validation. So when we have to select the V model, best for projects where quality and reliability are the highest priority, requirements are clear and stable, but the project is high risk, use in healthcare, aviation, and defense system. Errors are not acceptable due to safety and legal impact. Strong focus on verification and validation. Testing start from the requirement phase, not only at the end. Parallel testing we are going to do in the V model. Each development phase has matching test phase. So, as I said, parallelly we are going to do the verification and validation in the V model. So real-time example for the V model is aircraft flight control system. Project description: an aviation company develops a flight control system that control aircraft movement, monitor speed, altitude and direction, respond to pilot inputs, ensure safe flight operation. So in this situation, we are going to select the V model. Now we will understand the simple comparison between the different models. First factor is changing requirements. In the waterfall model, changing requirement we are not accepting. In the Scrum, we are accepting, that is excellent. In Kanban, it is good. And hybrid means we are combining the two models like Scrum and Kanban. So that is hybrid. So that's why it's good. Then predictable timeline, excellent in the waterfall model. Scrum, it's good. Kanban, it's fair, and hybrid, good. Then speed to market, waterfall model poor, Scrum it's excellent, Kanban is good, and hybrid excellent. Then documentation needs, excellent in waterfall, fair in Scrum, poor in Kanban, and good in hybrid. Then team autonomy, poor in waterfall, excellent in Scrum, good in Kanban, and good in hybrid. So overall, Scrum and hybrid models are the goods for our project. As per our need, we are going to select the models. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos. See you in the next one video.